Alright, everyone. So I am back again, and this time with Epic School, or Epic Books, I think is the actual title of it. What this website does is they basically just provide students with books, and and it's all online. It can be accessed through anything. I mean, they have, I believe, an app for iOS and Android. As well as obviously it's available on the computer. And so this is going to be, I suppose, more aimed towards the students for the audience, but also aimed towards educators, as this is a great way to get your students reading. And there's actually quite a bit of options on here. I mean, there's a considerable amount. As you can see, there's also videos, and they're all going to be all appropriate, obviously, as well as, for the most part, they're mostly educational. However, I do think that you can, I don't know, kind of get into some more just entertaining stuff. But that being said, Epic School is awesome because not only does it integrate with, again, Google Classroom, which is really easy to do so. It basically, you just sign up using your account that you use with Google Classroom, and that's pretty much it. And like, signing up's very easy. It looks like I actually accidentally put Mrs. but instead of the Mr. But regardless, yeah. So signing up, basically, you have to be working at a school. It's all. I mean, it didn't work with my Fort Hays account, but it did work with my student teaching email account, so just has to be connected to a school when I use the Gmail login. But other than that, you can select what it is that you use for whatever your reading tests are. I know we use AR at our school. But other than that, you come back here and you get to search through books. And so let's say we want to read Big Nate. There's obviously quite a few of them. We click one, and pretty much we just start reading, and it's super easy. Once you get to the lower grade levels, I'm on the 5th grade level, which is really nice because you can change between grade levels, but you can go to lower grade levels, and a lot more of the books will be read-alongs. So someone will read with you as the student follows along. As you see down here, read to me. But yeah, it's definitely, I don't know, it seems to be something that the kids really enjoy. It's definitely really popular. But yeah, it's just all around a great resource, especially with the possibility that students might have to go home. It's going to be difficult to get them a library book, and this kind of takes care of that. It's just a virtual library that the students can easily access. You just give them the course code, and that's pretty much it. So this one is actually going to align with ISTE standards for educational leaders 1B and 1A. Ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs, and ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. So at our school, we're a one-to-one. So we're kind of lucky in that sense, but so if we ever did have to go online, all the students would be sent home with a Chromebook, and that way they have easy virtual access to a library. So